Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about how to replace switch to power switch with power indicator of the gas furnace power supply. Remove this old switch. Install this switch with the power indicator. These two lines are going to the furnace. This is the neutral and this is the line side. Install the power switch. Switch on the power supply. The power switch have indicator light. We know that there's a power on the gas furnace. The switch should be near on the stairs as per code. I hope you like this video.